This is our Digitran, and I'm going to be showing you how to thread it up. So I'm going to start with the left needle. I have it through this back hole all the way there. If you ever forget, there's a little chart right there as well. But we got our 3 holes. I'm going to go down, then up, and then back down, and pull that. So you see that? So now I'm going to go around our first tensioner, our second tensioner. Then once I'm around here, we're going to go under this back one. So there's this front chamber that you can see I'm in right here. I'm going to go in this back one. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my finger on the thread and hear a click. Hear that click? Now we're up. You can see how it's holed up on that little hook. So now I'm going to come around this bar and I'm going to feed it up through here. And once again, you want to bring it around that bar, and then how you know if you're correct, if you're coming through that back slot and you pull up and you can see the spring right there, keeping tension on it. So that's good. You can pull some thread loose. And then since it's the left needle, I like going through the top hole here. That's just to make sure that I'm always staying consistent. And pop it in here. I like to use the second hole from the left and go right above it. And then from the inside out. So there's the left needle, and I'm gonna pretty much follow the same thing for the right. I'm gonna grab my thread, I have it through that hole right there. I'm gonna bring it down, and up, then down. I'm gonna wrap it around here. First tensioner, second tensioner, wrap it around. Now we can use this front spot, but once again, we wanna hear that click. Hear that click. We'll go around here. This one's a little easier. You can just get it in front and it pops into that hole. Now we'll go up. I use the bottom hole right here. Pull that tight, bring it down, pop it in there. Through this hole, pull it through, and then inside out. And there's how you thread your Digitran. Now we have our bobbin winder. I'm going to use this last hole right here. Then look at this chart again. So we're going to start by going down. And then I bring it over to the cutter. Bring it around there, clip it in, push our bobbin in, then lift up. Now your machine is fully threaded. If issues are still occurring, please visit our website at www.weldmaster.com or call into our office at 330-833-6739 for any additional support. You can also schedule a service visit from one of our highly qualified service technicians. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for choosing Miller Weldmaster for all your welding needs.